Ashwagandha, an ancient Ayurvedic herb, is renowned for its potential health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits associated with ashwagandha: stress and anxiety reduction. 1. Adaptogenic properties. Ashwagandha is considered an adaptogen, helping the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. 2. Cortisol regulation. It may help regulate cortisol levels, reducing stress hormones and promoting a sense of calm. 3. Anxiety relief. Some studies suggest that ashwagandha can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety, including generalized anxiety disorder, improved sleep quality. 1. Insomnia relief. Ashwagandha may be beneficial for those struggling with insomnia, promoting better sleep quality and duration. 2. Stress reduction. By reducing stress and anxiety, ashwagandha can indirectly improve sleep, enhanced cognitive function. 1. Memory and focus. Some research indicates that ashwagandha may enhance cognitive function, including memory, focus, and attention. 2. Neuroprotective effects. It may also have neuroprotective properties, potentially helping to protect brain cells from damage. Boosted athletic performance. 1. Muscle strength and endurance. Ashwagandha may help increase muscle strength and endurance, making it a popular supplement among athletes. 2. Reduced inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties can aid in muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Other potential benefits. 1. Immune system support. Ashwagandha may help boost the immune system, making it more resilient to infections. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. It has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit various health conditions. 3. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that ashwagandha may help regulate blood sugar levels. Important note: while ashwagandha has shown promise in various areas, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Individual responses may vary, and ashwagandha may interact with certain medications.